Welcome to my YouTube channel, Gold Custom Diecast, dedicated to customizing 1/64 scale model cars. In today's video, we will see step by step the customization process of a Mercedes SLS and creating an aerodynamic body kit with MILLIPUT epoxy glue. This is the first time I've done this type of custom. Let's go! After stripping the old paint, we apply 2 layers of white primer so that the color adheres well during the coloring phase. In these images, we see the creation of longer wheel axles so that we can have an excellent effect after we have created the body kit. Using resistant glue, we fix the wheel axles to the base of the car and wait a few minutes for it to dry. We then proceed with fixing the support fenders, which we will need to model the epoxy glue on them. As you can see, it's very simple. I made them from the remains of a plastic bottle. The video recording of the modeling of the MILLIPUT has unfortunately been lost, but it will be highlighted in the next video. Now, with the tool for sanding and filing the materials, we proceed with the refinement of the parts added to the body of our Mercedes SLS. Let the model dry for 2 hours. It's time for the paint. For this car, a magma orange was chosen, a typical color of the Affalterbach racing cars. After applying several layers of color, let it dry for another 12 hours. At this point, after having prepared and printed the logos and graphics we need on decal paper, we consolidate them with a spray layer of glossy clear. After this, we only have to immerse the graphics in water for a few seconds until the white part of the sheet comes off the adhesive and we can position it in the body of our car. To conclude, let's apply a spray layer of transparent gloss to maximize the beauty of our paint. I hope you enjoyed this customization and comment with tips and suggestions for the next custom cars.